Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's great to see you all again for part 2 of our level 3 English adventure. Are you ready to learn some more fun words and phrases together? I know I am. Let's get started and keep our English journey going. First up, let's talk about how we get from one place to another. We're going to learn about transportation. Our first word is car. C-A-R, car. A car has 4 wheels and goes vroom vroom. Can you pretend you're driving a car? Put your hands on the steering wheel and turn it. Great job. Next, we have a bus. B-U-S, bus. A bus is very big and can carry lots of people. Sometimes we take a bus to school. After that, we have a bike. B-I-K-E, bike. A bike has 2 wheels, and we use our feet to pedal. Let's say this sentence together. I ride a bike. One more time. I ride a bike. Fantastic. And our last one is a train. T-R-I-N, train. A train rides on tracks and goes choo-choo. So we have a car, bus, bike, and train. You guys are learning so fast. Now, all this learning is making me hungry. Let's talk about food in our meals. When we wake up, the first meal of the day is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. Maybe you eat eggs or cereal for breakfast. Let's try a sentence. I eat breakfast in the morning. Your turn. Awesome! In the middle of the day, we eat lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Perhaps you have a sandwich for lunch at school. In the evening, with our family, we eat dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. And if you get a little hungry between meals, you might have a snack. S-N-A-C-K, snack. A cookie or an apple can be a yummy snack. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Well done, everyone. It's always nice to help our family at home. Let's learn some words for helping at home. Our first word is clean. C-L-E-N, clean. We can help clean our room by putting our toys away. Let's say this together. I clean my room. Say it one more time. I clean my room. You are so helpful. We can also help to cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Maybe you help your mom or dad in the kitchen. Just be very careful. Another helpful thing to do is water the plants. Water the plants. The plants get thirsty, just like we do. So we have clean, cook, and water the plants. It feels good to be a helper, doesn't it? Now, let's learn how to have a simple conversation. When you meet someone, you can say, hi. Let's practice. Hi. Then you can ask, how are you? Let's try that. How are you? If someone asks you that, you can answer, I'm fine, thank you. Let's put it all together. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Great job. Now, you can try having this little conversation with a friend or someone in your family. It's a wonderful way to practice speaking English. Wow, look how much we've learned in all of level 3. Let's do a quick review. We talked about time and telling what time it is. We learned about different places like school, the park, and home. We learned action words like eat, play, and read. We talked about feelings, like being happy or sad. And today, we learned about transportation like the car and the train. We also talked about meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we learned how to be helpful at home by cleaning or watering the plants. And finally, we practiced a simple dialogue. You have learned so much. Now, for our final challenge, let's try a little role play. I am going to pretend to be a boy named Fady and introduce myself using all the things we have learned. Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Fady. I go to school. I eat lunch. I ride a bike. I am happy. Now it's your turn. Can you try to make your own little story? You can use your own name and talk about what you do and how you feel. Give it a try. Bravo, kids. You did it. You have officially finished level 3 of our English course. You should be so proud of yourselves. You have worked hard and learned so many new things. I am so happy for you. Thank you for learning with me today. Make sure to keep practicing. and I can't wait to see you for our next level. Bye for now.